Welcome to Wheels and Wings, your go-to destination for the latest updates, reviews, and insights into the world of automobiles and aviation. Today, we are diving into the much-anticipated return of an icon, the Tata Nano 2025. After years of speculation, Tata Motors has brought back the Nano with a fresh avatar that is already grabbing attention across the country. The Tata Nano 2025 comes with a modern design that blends compactness with futuristic styling. It features sleeker LED headlamps, a bold front grille, and redesigned bumpers that give it a more premium look compared to its earlier versions. The car sits slightly higher with newly styled alloy wheels, enhancing its city-friendly dynamics while maintaining a stylish appearance. Under the hood, the new Nano is expected to offer a small yet efficient petrol engine optimized for urban commuting. There are also strong rumors about an electric variant which would cater to the growing demand for affordable EVs in India. Tata has focused on making the 2025 Nano highly efficient, promising better mileage and lower maintenance costs, perfect for daily drivers and first-time car owners. Inside the cabin, the Tata Nano 2025 surprises everyone with an upgraded interior. It now features a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, power windows, and improved air conditioning. The seats have been redesigned for better comfort, and the quality of materials used feels much more premium compared to previous generations. Safety has been given special attention this time. The Nano 2025 includes dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a stronger body structure built to meet current crash test norms. Tata has made sure that while the Nano remains affordable, it does not compromise on safety and convenience. The Nano 2025 also shines when it comes to practicality. It continues to offer excellent maneuverability in tight city spaces thanks to its compact dimensions and tight turning radius. The boot space has been slightly increased and the rear seats can be folded down to create even more room for luggage, making it surprisingly versatile for a small car. With its attractive pricing, modern features, and Tata's reliability, the Nano 2025 is all set to make a strong comeback and redefine urban mobility in India once again. Whether you are looking for a first car, a second family car, or an efficient EV option, the new Nano deserves serious consideration. Thank you for tuning into Wheels and Wings. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest news, reviews, and automotive adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. See you in the next video. Would you also like a slightly shorter or slightly more energetic version depending on your style?